Hello, good morning, everybody. Here we go into the science lab. We are going to check on our brine shrimp. So enjoy watching this and seeing what's happened since Friday. And we will have another Google Hangouts this Friday in a couple days so that we can check on them again live and you can ask some questions and see what's up. So trying to remember, there's some other stuff. Oh yeah, don't forget, if you're watching this, your assignments for the week, don't forget to turn them in on Google Classroom. I think it says turn in or submit or something when you're done. Don't do it until you're done. If you turn it in before you're done, it won't let you do anything on your copy anymore until I return it to you. So when you're finished, just remember to turn it in. So that it sends me an email and I can grade it on there and check it and give you feedback and whatnot. And don't forget to go check your emails. You should be getting emails for your assignment last week. I provided feedback on pretty much every single one. That takes a lot of time, so please check it so that you can see what's up and fix some stuff if you need to. Some things need to be changed or fixed, and I gave you feedback to help you understand it better. So take advantage of that. It's a lot of work, so please go check that out and see and fix things if you need to and just learn more. So here we go. We got our brine shrimp. The water's looking kind of nasty brown, but let's put our dropper in and suck out a little blob. We'll put it in the Petri dish and let's check it out. All right, there's definitely a difference in the amount of movement. And also it almost looks like the brine shrimp are more transparent. They're more see-through. It's harder to see them. I don't know if you guys can notice that on my phone camera. You can definitely see them moving around. They definitely look a little bit bigger. You can see all the cysts, the eggs in there that are left either from them hatching out of them and just leaving the eggs behind or not hatching. You can also see that there are brine shrimp in there that are not moving around. Some have died. What a surprise. Why do you think they didn't survive? Think about what resources they need. What could be the reasons why they did not survive? Wow, there's a lot of them just laying there, but there's still quite a few moving around in this blob, so I'm guessing there's still a lot of them in our bottle of water over here. There's a bunch grouped up again in the corner. Let's try to see them a little bit closer with our pocket microscope. So I'm gonna set the phone down. It's gonna go dark for a minute while I work on getting this figured out. All right, I found one lonely brine shrimp that's kind of cool to look at. It's a little bit, definitely different looking than the last time. You can definitely tell there's more of a shrimp body to it. Oh, there's a bigger one going by. Kind of cool. You can see some other ones popping in and out. I'm gonna set this down again and see if I can get some of the bigger ones in the view of this microscope. they're fast. They move real quick. So that might be harder than it first appears. All right, I saw some swimming around, so let's take one more look. There's a egg down there you can see. There are definitely some that are quite bigger. Boom, they're going fast too, so they're hard to see. But there you go. There's a look at them this week. So there's definitely not as many. So if you think about the population of them, it has definitely dropped. Why do you think that's happened? You can leave a comment. And we're gonna feed these suckers right now to make sure they get some more food. Because that might be a reason why. It also could be the temperature. Maybe it's not warm enough in here, especially at night. I don't know how cold it gets in this classroom at night, but maybe it's just, maybe the water is just not quite warm enough for all of them to survive. Or maybe, like we saw in some of our activities we did, maybe there was just too many. The population was so high that there was just not enough room, not enough resources, not enough space. And so some of them just weren't going to survive. But we added some algae, and it's kind of gross, but it makes a lot of bubbles. That's interesting, huh? Why do you think that happens? When we put algae in there, there's a lot more bubbles bubbling up on the surface. All right, there you go. Well, see you Friday. Look for the link on Google Classroom to join our meeting times for each period. This is just a fun way to meet and do something in class that we would have normally done so that you can see it. Good luck with your week's activities. And again, if you have any problems, issues, questions, be sure to email me, and make sure to use your washk12.org email address. Thank you guys. We'll see you later. Bye.